On the day I created this video, it was announced that Elon Musk bought Twitter. And you know what? For you and me, it doesn't matter at all. Because the truth is, if you don't have a blue check mark, if you're not famous, if you don't already have this huge following of people who hang on every word that you say, Twitter and other social media really doesn't matter all that much to building your network. Because here's the thing, it's all about broadcast. And creating a real network of people who bring you opportunities is about personal relationships. Now, when Twitter was first founded, you could put out there, hey, I'm going to be in Austin, Texas at this Starbucks with a free hour to kill if anybody wants to come and talk. This was 15 years ago, maybe more, and poof, people would show up at the coffee shop and talk to you. Now the problem is, if you were to say, hey, I'm going to be at this coffee shop, nobody would come. In fact, I used to tweet my blog posts and people would come from Twitter to my blog. If I was to put this video on Twitter, even though I have 10,000 followers, nobody would go and watch this video. Broadcast isn't where it's at for you and me. It's great for the famous people. It's great when Elon Musk announces he's going to buy Twitter, the whole world explodes. But for you and I, we have to build relationships one person at a time. So start thinking less broadcast and more personal. How do you communicate with people one-to-one? How do you build a relationship that gets somebody into your inner circle? That's how you create a network. Don't worry so much about social media unless you're famous. They can have social media. I'll use it, but I really don't think that it impacts my bottom line the way that personal relationships can.